Volume. I can find the volume of right rectangular prisms with fractional edge lengths. Volume equals big B times height. Remember the little b when we talk about area, where area equals little b times height, is the length of the base. So now when we're talking about volume, we're talking about taking the area of the base and multiplying it by the height. I have a cube, and each layer has 20 cubes in it. So that would be the area. The area would be the 20 cubes in each layer. And then I have 4 of those. So I'm going to take the area and multiply it by 4. And I'm going to get 80 centimeters cubed. Find the volume of the rectangular prism. So we're going to start the way we always do, and we're going to write the formula. So V equals big B times height. Well, we need to know what the base is, and we're going to need to write the area formula as well. So the base is a rectangle. So area for a rectangle equals little b, or the length of the base, times the height. So I'm going to take the length of the base times the height of the base, 12 times 1/4. We need to change so we can multiply by fractions. Remember, a whole number, you always put it over 1, then you're going to multiply straight across. So 12 times 1 is 12, 1 times 4 is 4, reduce, and my area equals 3. Now that is my big B. So I'm going to take my big B and put it in, and then my height is 4/5. Same thing with fractions. Change 3 to 3/1. Multiply it by 4/5. Multiply straight across. So 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. And I'm going to reduce, if I can, or change it to a mixed number. Either one of these answers is acceptable. Our units for volume are going to be cubed, or to the 3rd power. Okay, another rectangular prism. Volume equals the area of my base, big B, times my height. And since the base is a rectangle, my area is base times height. Before I can multiply, I need to change my mixed number. So 1 times 4 plus 3 is 7. I put it all back over 4. I also need to change my whole number to a fraction. I will multiply straight across. 21 over 4. We're just going to leave it that way because we're going to use it again. So my area, my big B, are the same. Now I'm going to plug it into the volume formula. So volume is going to equal 21/4 times 1/3. That's my height. We will multiply straight across once again. I have 21 twelfths. I can change that to a mixed number and reduce. Let's start by reducing. What can I divide both of those by? I can divide them both by 3. So I get 7/4. And that's 1 3/4. My units are going to be inches, and they are to the third power or cubed. Okay, you try this one. Make sure you write all your work down in your notes.